Welcome back!
Hello!
Why are you wearing those glasses?
I'm going to a party tonight. That's why I bought them, you see?
Okay. But this video is about good timing of going to a party. So this video is about making glasses and buying them.
Why you didn't tell me before? I wouldn't buy them otherwise.
Well, maybe you should have told me you're going to a party but sooner.
Okay, let's make one. Maybe I'll change it if it's gonna be better than mine.
Oh my god. Okay. So since we're making for 2 people, we do not want to waste paper. So make sure to do it with card. So first you fold the paper in half. Then assistant, please cut.
Which paper is it? Is it normal A4 paper? The one that you use for letters?
Yeah, so you can use any, but just to not waste a lot of paper, you can use A4 and half it so you can make 2 goggles. Cut this in. I'm getting ready. The part claims, which color would you like on your goggle?
Blue, please. You know I like that blue.
Which blue? Light or sparkly?
Dark blue.
Because the sparkly will hurt you. Thank you. So right now, we're gonna draw with a pen or a marker. Here you go. Draw the shape. And the shape is gonna be... So
A shape of what?
Let's say in a round straight. So first on the top, maybe not middle, but like most of it, make a line. Doesn't have to be perfect, somewhere about there. Yep, that's perfect. And now in the corner, take it and make like a shape that looks kind of like sunglasses.
Oh my god, I'm so bad at that. Okay.
And this is the part we're gonna make a hole.
Completely different.
Why is it so small? No.
Okay.
Let's do on the other side.
Maybe I'm making for a doll now.
No, do it for the other side. Look how big these are.
Okay, wait, let me try this.
Okay,
Maybe
but
this
you
one works
have to
first.
try to make it the perfect size. This is not the best, but it'll do. Then
Okay.
you take your scissors and then make a line through them.
Okay. Okay.
And then make a little circle.
Wait, why did it
Let's
come?
show.
Wait.
Let's show them.
Which-
Oh. This is the stage we have got to. And, well, I bet at the end it will be better than the beginning. Now.
Okay, you know what? To my defense, I'm really, really bad in art. So that's what she's teaching me, you see?
But.
Okay, that's my glasses.
Alright, but you will be wearing them, so okay. So, then we cut. I'm sorry. So funny. Now cut the glasses out. I bet yours will be way better. Audience. Be careful. It's okay if you go across the lines a bit. Now, is it starting to look like a mountain?
Wait.
Is it starting to look like a
Very
mountain?
much, especially mine. Look what I have.
If I laugh a bit longer, I'm gonna chop this right in half. Okay.
I think it looks like a car. Half of the car.
Remote controller.
Okay, so
There it is.
yeah.
Now, be careful you don't want to rip this. We're gonna move it over.
You fold it like this.
But don't flatten out straight away because it's not even.
Then what?
Because the sides aren't even. So we might cut off a bit. So don't bend it all the way so you can see what you're doing. Start in the middle. This is what I like doing. In case if it's not even, I make a little cut inside and then or made a car right now.
Okay, oh my god, really? I think, you know what? I did the right thing to buy the glasses I'm wearing.
What about yours might be better?
Okay.
Okay, cut it the whole time.
I don't know how to cut it.
Just do what I done.
Okay, can you cut?
Okay, but
Yeah, but don't do like that one.
okay.
Do it properly.
Now cut it inside.
Cut inside what? The thing?
Look, I'm cutting it even if there's a big crack in the middle.
Okay, you need to. Okay, so you'll be able to see in this.
Yeah, you do want to be fine. Oh my god, look, I done another cut through. But it's fine. I'll cover it up with sparkly paper.
Okay.
And do the same thing to the other, but try to be better. Yay! Look, I done it in the middle. Paper flying around.
Can I just do it like that? Look.
No, you have to cut the whole thing out. This is looking good, kind of. But I promise you it'll be beautiful once we decorate it.
Okay.
No.
Oh, your one looks so nice.
Yours is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And now fluffing.
Now what?
Now.
I need it. This one is for me.
Wait, we can't
Yes.
use that.
What?
Because when you put in your ear, it'll scratch your ear.
It's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna do.
But it's too small.
That's why you need two.
But do you have the same ones?
No, you can have different. This one makes it funky.
Can I have this one? This. That silver.
Okay. Now you get pipe cleans, or you could just get sticks and maybe, I don't know, color it.
But I think pipe cleaners is better because then you can make the shape. So it's good.
Yeah. Okay. Now cut your pipe cleaner in half because it's very long to be just one.
In
side.
half? Ah, okay. So you need 1, 2, like
Whoa!
that.
Pipe cleaners flying everywhere. Okay, now bend that. Where the pipe cleaner. See? Ta-da! Oh my god!
Sorry. What did you do?
It's fine.
Really?
Yep, it will be fine because mine is beautiful. Mine will be very nice after at the end.
Okay, and how do you do it then?
And try to straighten it as much as possible. But then at the end, you're gonna do a little loop. Loop. Look,
Like that. Look.
like that. Look, I'm like,
Yeah.
like that. Now, carefully try to make the same thing here, but not like me,
Like.
because I made a hole. Yours is actually better than mine.
I think so.
Why does it look like a remote controller?
I don't know. Okay, now what do we do now?
I'm not done.
Ah,
Okay, you're gonna do the same thing.
Loop.
Make sure it's tight in it. And then smooth it out as much as possible. And then loop it. Let's try it out. But don't worry, this is not the end. Let's try. Oh my! And then with
Oh,
the
your one is so cool.
at the bendy part, you can fix it so it'll be around your ear. Mine actually fits. Daddy, Dad, look at our glasses. So, let's see how I'm gonna look with it. Just put it on.
I'm trying.
See how it looks like that. Okay.
Okay.
You look like the evil guy in Sonic. His goggles look like that.
Okay.
Just put them on like this. Look, see, boom. And then look, since
Yeah,
it's pipe cleaners, you can just bend it like sunglasses. Okay, now get sparkly paper. Or you can always paint it or whatever.
I think I'm gonna color it.
No, that's like for the detail parts. So, do you want light blue or dark blue?
Dark blue.
There you go.
It's gonna be such a waste of good paper for this.
Well, don't use all of it then. No, look what I'm doing. So, cut a strip out. Look, you do your own design. This is just mine. So my design is I cut out a strip. Not half of it, but like now make like little circles or half a circle and then like leopard.
And then I'm gonna color mine.
Why?
Oh, such a beautiful color.
Make as many
Beautiful
as
shape
you can
of
or as you want.
red.
Yeah, you can use highlighters. You can use whatever you want. You can use glitter glue. Oh, that's amazing. You can use whatever you want. Are you serious? This is very quick. Now, take the glasses you want. So this is my design. Mom is doing something completely different. Ta-da.
Did you finish?
No, just show you. Look how mine folds. Ah! Yeah, that's now Sonic's leaders. I mean, Daddy's goggles. Because it's red as well.
Ah, what's his name? Jim Carrey's character, yeah?
Yep.
Was he wearing red glasses?
Yeah, red goggles when he
red
fights him at the end.
Ah.
So look, you see? Leopardy.
What do you mean leopardy? What does
It's
it
gonna be
mean?
like kind of leopard. So now, take glue. So I'm gonna actually staple it. Staple some, staple most, staple. I'm using staples, but you can use glue. You can use tape. You can use whatever you like. Look how stable that is.
Yeah, so stable.
What do you mean? There we go. Add everywhere.
Okay.
Now, do you want to add some glitter? Confetti. That's what you have.
I don't know.
Okay. Now, I'm just really, I'm adding. Look, mine is like gonna be leopardy. Not leopardy, but like dots.
What do you even mean by leopard?
Like the hat. Maybe not leopardy, but like, you get it, dots. This is looking beautiful. Let's dare each other to wear these outside. Do you wanna? Actually, no. But mine might turn out good.
Yeah, it's quite good. And mine as well.
Yes. You can.
I'm gonna make it actually really
With what?
You see, look,
Be careful, it's not.
I'm gluing.
I'm giving the. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look, you can use sparkly. You can use ordinary paper and just make some, I don't know, shapes or whatever. You can do whatever you.
But we're using card, don't we?
Yep.
Because,
But you need to use.
But why do you need to use card?
Because
I think.
with normal paper, like when you put it on, it'll be so flappy and it can rip super easy. Like,
Okay.
of course, card can rip because it's still paper.
The best.
Look at mine.
Fancy glasses.
Look at mine.
Oh, I love yours. They're so
But
cute.
now we need to add touches with
With what?
some pens. I'm adding swirls.
Okay, maybe one more.
One more to make it absolutely divine. There we go. Now, this is looking pretty cool to you, don't you think? I think I'll add leaves. But this part I'm stapling, so I don't have to wait.
I think I'm finished.
Don't reveal just yet. We're gonna reveal.
Okay, but I'm not wearing it yet.
Yeah, still. Is there another gold
Gold what?
leaf? Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna use a green one. Remember, you don't need to do this design.
You can do any design you like.
And
You
just
can
the
paint
last.
it, you can color it in, you can put the paper like
I
my
am
did.
just.
You
Okay,
can do
now
simplicity.
let's do the reveal of putting it
Wait. Wait.
I can't see anything. Seriously.
Okay. One.
Look at mommy. Why can't I see it?
Okay.
I'm sorry I had it. So, let's take a photo and then we can make
Okay, anyway, do you want to wrap it up? What shall we say? Okay, I'll be able to reflect that. To see some.
Bye-bye. And remember, this is better than buying expensive clothes.